Welcome back to Renaissance Card Breaks. I am Michelangelo. I decided I'm going to open my 2020 Topps Chrome Jumbo. At least at this point, if I feel the need, I can buy another one for only a small markup. So when I first bought this, it was with the intention of opening it. So I don't want the current market to impact that. So I'm going to open this, and I'll probably buy one more just to hold on to and see what happens with prices. So empty box. So it's 12 packs of 13 cards each. There should be 5 autos and hopefully a lot of colors. Just get started. Eric Hosmer, Logan Allen, Jeff McNeil, Zach Gallen, looking like a better and better investment every day, Miguel Rojas, Dustin May. That's our first auto there. Open the back. Patrick Corbin, Anthony Kay, Trey Turner, AJ Puck, Oscar Mercado, another Dustin May, or the same Dustin May from before. I think it's the same Dustin May from before. Christian Yelich, Nolan Arenado, and our first auto is Justin Dunn. And that Nolan Arenado is the Prism Refractor. We got a Junior Fernandez, Ryan Reynolds Cup card, John Means Future Stars, and Aaron Nola out of 75. Andrew Benintendi, Shohei Ohtani throwback, Jordan Alvarez rookie, Carlos Santana, Marcus Semien, Xander Bogaerts, and Ronald Acuna. Justin Verlander, Glaber, Mike Yastrzemski, Trent Grisham, Jacob deGrom, Freshman Flash Brendan McKay, Luis Castillo, that's a Luis Castillo refractor. Then we got a Zach Gallen, and again that is one of those mosaics, or sorry, prism refractors. Whit Merrifield and Orlando Arcia, Luis Arraez, Kyle Schwarber, Gio Urshela. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll look for a short print or base numbered cards afterwards. Sean Murphy, Hanser Alberto, Yu Chang rookie card, Trevor Williams, Andrew Heaney, got a Jake Fraley gold auto. That is out of 50. He's a good rookie, so that's a nice hit. Alex Bregman, Pete Alonso throwback, Clayton Kershaw, Brandon Crawford, Lourdes Gurriel, Hunter Dozier, Michael Baez rookie card. A lot of people really like Jake Fraley. I don't know much about his gaming. So, we got Brandon Lau, Mike Soroka. It's really sad what happened to this guy. Tore his Achilles trying to cover first. Miggy, Javier Baez, Masahiro Tanaka. That's our third auto here. Brock Burke. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Cup card. And that's a refractor. And then we got Mookie Betts. And again, this is the Prism refractor. Aaron Nola. Jordan Yamamoto, Anthony Santander, Andres Munoz, and Juan Soto. So we've got 3 of our autos out of the way. Nothing too unbelievable. The out of 50 is nice for a decent rookie. Buster Posey opted out of the season. I don't blame him. His team's not great, and he's on the end of his career. Matt Face, Gene Segura, Williams Astudillo, Future Stars. We got a die cut Ricky Henderson, Colin Moran, Nico Horner, throwback, Rubel Garcia, Pablo Lopez, Bo Bichette, Jeff Samardzija, and Matt Chapman. That's half the box. Got 2 autos left. Plus hopefully some other color. I know there's not a ton in this product, but it'd be nice to get a couple more numbered cards. Colin Moran, Alex Bregman, Andrew Benintendi, Ozzie Albies, Matthew Boyd. There's another Zach Collins auto rookie card. This one is a Matt Boyd refractor. Got a Kyle Lewis throwback. A Rowdy Tellez. Mondesi. Dansby. Victor Reyes. Paul DeYoung. So only 1 auto left. Jack Flaherty, Jose Abreu, Robbie Ray, Max Muncy, Mike Trout, nice. We got a freshman flash, Dylan Cease, Nelson Cruz, refractor. Got a Dustin May. That's the Prism refractor, so that's a nice one. Yoan Moncada, Ketel Marte, Walker Buehler, Shohei Ohtani, and Blake Snell. 4 packs left, 1 auto left to find. Love a Luis Robert of some sort. We do have a die cut in here. We have an Austin Meadows. We have a Rogelio Armenteros. Ronald Guzman. Nick Solak. Keston Hiura, Future Stars. Willie Mays die cut. Ozzie Albies. Refractor. Vlad throwback. There's the man. Luis Robert. Pulled another one of his out of a regular blaster box. Chris Archer, Brock Burke, Jonathan VR, and Zach Collins. This is the first hobby box I've ever bought and opened as a set in my life. So, hope you're enjoying the video. Love some comments and or more subscriptions. Again, my goal is to do some giveaways at 100. Justin Dunn, Carter Kieboom, Kyle Lewis. So I got 2 of his. Victor Robles, another Kyle Lewis, freshman flash. DJ LeMahieu refractor. Oscar Mercado Prism refractor. Raisel Iglesias, Sam Hilliard, Michael Fulmer, Charlie Blackmon, Jose Altuve. So our last auto within one of these 2 packs. Let's hope for a good name. The first couple have been average at best. I think it's in here. It looks like a little bit of a thicker cardstock. So yeah, I think that was it. So we'll open this pack first here. Jake Rogers, Noah Syndergaard, Domingo Lepa, Chris Paddock, Travis Demerit, or Demerit. Nope. Our auto's in this one, so unfortunately I don't think it's anybody that great, so we'll save it just because it is the last auto of the box. We have a Jack Flaherty refractor, Mike Trout throwback, Trevor Story, Ian Desmond, Luis Urias, Mookie Betts, Nolan Arenado. I'll look at that other Arenado because that's a different photo than the other. Mitch Haniger, Gavin Lux, Francisco Lindor, Adbert Alzolay, Pete Alonso Gold Cup card, and an Abraham Toro out of 150. Now for half of the last pack here, we have a Carlos Correa Prism Refractor. We have a Carlos Correa Regular Base. Andrelton Simmons. I really like this product. I think it's really nice. Bryce Harper. Herman Marquez. Willy Adames. an Anthony Rizzo refractor, Travis Demerit, and then our last auto is a James Marvel. Excuse me. So, right here are probably the two best cards. We got a Luis Robert rookie card and a Jake Fraley yellow or gold auto to 50. I think it's gold. 33 out of 50. This was Renaissance Card Breaks. I am Michelangelo. Thank you for watching.